I think with creative thinking, there's a couple of other ways you can have a bit of fun with it too. Yes, I think, you can definitely see how people, you get a very clear idea about how people think through the insights that they draw. But sometimes you might just want to completely change it up, and you
Mm,
might just want to indicate your ability to perform high quality data analysis
mm,
through a meme or something, or just through something
mm,
comical. Like you might keep track of, I don't know, how many times that you do something during the week or over the year. Like, I don't know if you
mm,
have a habit track or whatever, and you just create your own, graphs and insights from the habits you've been doing. You just perform the analysis on yourself and the things you've been doing.
right.
Um, you might have a dog. You might keep track of, how many times you, I don't know, dog does whatever. How much food does your
Mm,
dog eat? And you just perform analysis on that. And so it's a fun little way to prove what you're capable of doing. Um, you might also um, you can do it through other types of content. So you might record yourself, delivering the analysis through speaking to a slide or to a graph. So there's a
mm,
great platform called Loom, which I think allows you to do this really well. Um, and you might just do exactly what you've done. You've done the graph, you've done the analysis, and you'll just record yourself talking over the top of it to say, "Hey, this is what I think is going on here."
mm. Thanks. That's really useful. I hadn't really thought of doing it that way